Sliding on Ice by Aradhna Jha. To my family, story this way. Have you ever had so much fun in your life? Well, I did. One day, I went sledding on a very huge hill. It was a hill next to Enfield High School. After sledding for a while, my parents said I could go play in the snow. I decided to bring my brother Abhishek to go play. While we were walking, kind of like fast walking, we saw a huge chunk of ice. I observed it for a tiny bit, and I saw that there was no water underneath. I was still looking at the ice, thinking about when Ashok said, "Let's race on the ice." So we did a few races, probably 2 or 3 races. We did the races with different poses, like raising on our bottoms or on our knees. We heard it and slipped a lot, but we thought it was funny and kept laughing. We thought we should play in the snow. We wrote our names on the snow and wrote some other stuff. We almost didn't hear our mom and dad calling, but we did. So we went running back to the top of the hill. Abhishek said, "Let's go home." I too wanted to go home. So we went to the car, buckled our seats, and we're back on the road to go home. I also had some Sunny D, and Abhishek had some gummies. When we were home, we had a shower and we had dinner. Then we snuggled into bed. It was almost 9 o'clock. I sure had fun. I hope the snow won't melt because I want to visit there again. It's March now and the snow melted, but I love summer too.